Welcome to Talkpoint, your trusted source for the latest USA and world headlines. Quick, clear, and reliable updates every 2 hours. Recent court proceedings involving former President Donald Trump have drawn attention, significant media attention, with particular focus on the actions of prosecutors in ongoing cases. While some reports and online headlines have described developments in dramatic terms, verified news sources emphasize that the proceedings reflect standard courtroom process rather than any major prosecutorial failure. Trump currently faces multiple federal and state level investigations. In recent hearings, judges have issued rulings on procedural matters, including the admissibility of evidence and proper handling of motions. Some media coverage has highlighted these decisions as setbacks of prosecutors, but legal analysts note that such rulings are typical in complex legal cases and are part of the normal judicial process. Observers have noted that judges occasionally request adjustment to prosecutorial strategy or clarification of evidence. These interventions ensure that the legal process adheres to established rules and protections for all parties involved. While they may require prosecutors to modify their approach, they do not indicate any catastrophic failure or disaster in the courtroom. The legal proceedings continue, with both prosecutors and defense teams presenting arguments, responding to judicial instructions, and preparing for upcoming hearings. Experts caution against interpreting routine procedural rulings as evidence of border failure, emphasizing that ongoing trials often involve careful scrutiny and repeated adjustment. Public reaction has varied, with some Persian media framing minor courtroom adjustment as dramatic events. Trusted news outlets such as Reuters, AP, and CNN stresses that these developments reflect the ordinary functioning of the judicial system and do not signify a collapse of prosecutorial efforts. As the case progresses, the focus remains on the legal process, adherence to evidence standards, and careful evaluation by judges. The outcomes of these proceedings will unfold over time, and observers are encouraged to follow verified reporting for updates on each case. This remains an evolving legal story, and Talkpoint will continue to provide accurate and verified updates from reliable sources. You are watching Talkpoint, the point where news talks. Stay informed, stay ahead, subscribe now and hit the bell icon because the next update is coming in just 2 hours.